Hey everyone, I'm Sudeep. In the last video, we learned about find and find one commands. In this video, we will learn about using the comparison operators to write the queries. Usually, when we want to retrieve the data from a collection, we will pass the condition to the find command. In this query, what it will do, it will retrieve all the students' data whose age is equal to 22. If I press enter, in the result, it will retrieve all the students' data whose age is equal to 22. Sometimes, when writing the queries, you will be facing a situations like where you want to take the help of comparison operators. Suppose, fetch the student records whose age is greater than 22, whose age is less than 22, whose age is greater than or equal to 22, whose age is less than or equal to 22. How do you write these? In order to fetch these students' records, MongoDB provides some comparison operators like $GT is a query operator used to filter the documents where the specified field value is greater than the given value. Same way for $LT is a query operator to filter the documents where the specified field's value is less than the given value. In the same way, $GTE and $LTE is used to filter the documents where the field's value is greater than or equal to the given value or less than or equal to the given value respectively. Now let's write the first query. Fetch the student's record where the age is greater than 22. Let's write the query db.studentscollection.find. While doing the equality check, we will pass the condition like age colon 22. Now we have to check the age greater than 22. For that, we will pass one more object. Inside that, we will add the comparison operator $GT and the value 22 and close this. Press enter. In the result, we can see all the students' record whose age is greater than 22. In order to check that, we will add the projection for the field student name and age. First, let's clear this. I have added the age and student name in the projection. You can observe the age field. The value is greater than 22. In the same way, we can write for less than 22. Just change this comparison operator, make it LT and press enter. Here you can see these are the student records whose age is less than 22. In the same way, change the comparison operator, make it LTE. This will return all the student records whose age is less than or equal to 22. Same way for GTE. This is how you will write the queries using the comparison operator. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel.